Listen. The sun never asks if yesterday was good enough. It simply rises. Yesterday left scars on my hands. Dreams slipped away like grains of sand. Still the morning called my name, whisper softly, rise again. Every